Woburn en?
Ek is hier so, Woburn, ek draai nou links hier so, en dan is Cranbourne aan my rechterkant.
Alright, ja, ek is hier so Bedford en Rothsay.
So ons dink hy is toch daar in
En my oorbieding.
Plaza in.
Negatief, het lyk of hy in die plaza in is, so ons sal nou sien. Ek wil net kyk. Kyk waar? Woburn en?
En tussen Woburn en Cranbourne.
Hy is binne in daar.
Ek is nou in Cranbourne, ek is op pad aan Plaza se kant toe.
Alright, reg, so jy sal sien is so 'n jong laaitjie vol swart, middeljarige late 20s, baie scruffy.
Gaan na die ander
Daar is
kant.
nou 'n nommer op die asblik.
Negatief, maar hy's pikswart gesprei en jy sal sien op die voorkant is daar tape wat ons al die krake mee toegepatch het.
Oh, jy gaan met ander kant omgaan.
Ek hoop ek is op die hoek van Cranbourne en Voortrekker, Cranbourne Voortrekker.
So links.
Ja. Is reg, so ja, ek is nou hierso in by by die plaza ook. Ek gaan net kyk, gaan vir Charles vra dat hy net nog 'n update vir ons doen.
Ek sien hom.
Of van waar sy?
Is jy daai kant daar by Cranbourne?
Hoor hy enigiets, jy moet hy net wag.
Kopie, dis 'n negatief, hier is 'n negatief.
Okay, waar is daai?
Ek moet sê map, dit is so moeilik om te sien.
Okay, wag, net hierso. Hou vas, Drie se ouens is ook hierso. Drie se ouens is hier. Ek wil net gou hierso. Ja, ek gaan hom saamvat. Ja.
Dis die nommer op my bus,
Hy is ingekrap 27, maar jy kan dit nie net sien nie.
Broer, ons vat 'n wat.
Sy Dries.
Hallo suster. Update hierso. Broer, ek en jy se noek is gegaan.
Okay. Jy het jou foon saam met jou, né? Nee.
Wil jy die ding saamvat?
Nee, hy gaan geraas maak. Ek sal hom nou as ek niks kry nie. Gaan nou sien.
Delivering and nothing is
Kijk, kosten dat ze. Ja, ze. Ja. Did you take a bin?
Yes.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back for me. Gaan hier in my sak indruk.
Kijk, suspect is rustig, is op die grond.
Hi Dries, as hulle hier na die plaza toe kom, die een net na Woburn, dan draai jy links asof jy in na die plaza toe kom, dan kom jy hierso waar dit sê Bachelor, so rooi en gryserige gebou, gaan nou vir jou foto stuur, hulle moet net hier inkom, hulle sal my kar sien. This guy, we were watching him, we saw him take the bin, so I followed him from behind, the whole way.
All the way.
All the way. They're from our office, 61st Avenue. Yeah. That's what I told her, she must come one street up from Woburn. If you turn left, you'll come and you'll see the cars here. If you can send it to me, or just check if you have it, and then maybe just give him a call so that I can just let him know it's a success.
Okay, I will give him a call. That's Kensing. I will let him know.
Dank je. Stuur asseblief. Okay.
Wanneer is klaar vir? Slang voor.
Ja, laat hy sit, laat hy regop sit.
Sit.
Okay.
So.
That's it. You got an ID? What's all of these papers? Huh?
The slip for scrapyard.
Ah, so you take this to scrapyard?
No, I was putting inside the box. So I collect boxes, then I check to the scrapyard.
Ah, so you're going to use this to transport all your boxes. So why you steal my stuff to take for your stuff? And don't tell me you didn't know this wasn't anybody's bin, because there's 2 bins for a property there. Say scrapyard goed. What scrapyard do you take to?
What's the name of it? I think it's a recycling.
Where?
There by station.
By the station.
So dan gaan die beste gesit en
Mm.
dan vond hulle daar.
Ja. Yes.
Was Kings with you?
Yeah, she was.
Right.
Me too. Me too. Yeah, but he wouldn't have been able to get far in any way because HIJACKED was in front of him and I was behind him and he was trapped between a palisade and a wall. Yeah. Alright, will do. Yes. Okay. No, apparently this is his first one and he only took this because he takes stuff to a scrapyard. So he wanted to use the bin to put the boxes that he collects for the scrapyard into there. And he takes it to the scrapyard there by the railway.
Okay.
Yeah, that's his story. He sells boxes, he sells scrap.
Okay, you wanted to use the bit for
To carry all his scrap, yeah.